Well, Dad's got the green Bombardier all started up. We'll go check on his progress and see what's going on. So what's going on today? What's going on today?
Oh, just one spark plug wire was off where it clamps onto the plug.
Okay.
Got that fixed, but this thing is still not running right. So I'll probably have to pull the heads off.
Pull the heads off.
Yeah, but I'm not going to do that now.
Okay.
It starts good, like you just hit the key and away it goes. But it's missing, I don't know, valves, and I still don't know if this has got manual hydraulic lifters or manual lifters. If it's got manual, I can adjust the valves, and if it's hydraulic, you got to take it apart because hydraulic is no adjustment.
Okay. So it's Saturday the 22nd.
Randy went to Winnipeg this morning,
Okay.
so he's gone. I'm just gonna back this out and let
Okay.
it off.
So Dad says he's gonna back this out and then we're gonna have a quick coffee.
If I gotta take the heads off, he's gonna have to save up some money because we're gonna take everything off of here down to here,
Okay.
drain everything, and then send the heads away and have the valves, springs, and everything done. And that's gonna cost some money.
So it's not a simple solution fix here.
No.
What would have changed in this short
Well,
of time that
I think it got overheated a couple times, eh?
okay.
You know, not paying attention, driving the snot out of them, and because usually you don't have trouble like this.
Okay.
So that means take the manifolds off, new manifold gaskets, valve covers, distributor, all that, ship down to take the heads off.
Okay. So this is the fun part of Bombardier ownership here, is the maintenance thereof.
You never know what happened to.
Okay.
I never get the whole story.
Okay.
It's just what the problem is. Running that, I think that.
Okay, so this is the green Bombardier, belongs to a customer. Dad's gonna have to do some additional work here, but now spring is sprung and most of the snow's out of the yard here, but Dad's probably gonna work on the pad here, and well, we're gonna have a coffee.